Today, I'm going to review the HBN Outdoor Power Stake Waterproof with 6-foot long extension cord. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this outdoor power stake for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the HBN Outdoor Power Stake, a game changer for your outdoor electrical needs. Whether you're lighting up your backyard or gearing up for holiday decorations, this product promises to make your life easier. So let's get into why you might want and definitely need this handy gadget in your life. First, let's talk about what this is. The HBN Outdoor Power Stake isn't just any extension cord. It's a waterproof, durable power solution specifically designed for outdoor use. It features 3 grounded outlets, a 6-foot extension cord, and is rated at 125 volts and 13 amps. What's unique is its weatherproof design, complete with individual waterproof covers for each outlet, making it perfect for withstanding harsh weather conditions. Imagine this, you're setting up your Christmas lights, or maybe it's Halloween, and you want to create that spooky ambiance in your garden. This power stake doesn't just blend seamlessly into your lawn with its green color, but it also provides a reliable power source for your decorations. It's also great for powering outdoor gatherings. Think garden parties with string lights or a barbecue night where you need to plug in a grill or a sound system. The benefits are clear. Convenience. No more running long, unsightly cords from inside the house. Place the power stake wherever you need it. Safety. It's waterproof and durable, which means less worry about electrical hazards in wet or snowy conditions. Ease of use. Installation is a breeze. Just assemble, stake it into the ground, and plug it in. No additional tools needed. However, every product has its downsides. One thing to consider with the HBN Outdoor Power Stake is that while it offers multiple outlets, they are controlled collectively and not individually. This means you cannot control each outlet separately, which could be a limitation if you need that kind of functionality. What sets the HBN stake apart? Its heavy-duty construction and easy-to-use design make it stand out. It's not just about plugging in your devices, it's about doing so in a way that's efficient, safe, and aesthetically pleasing. In conclusion, the HBN Outdoor Power Stake is a robust, user-friendly solution for anyone looking to extend their power source outdoors. Whether for holiday decorations, garden parties, or just adding some lights to your patio, this stake has got you covered. Just keep in mind the collective control of the outlets. It's a small compromise for a product that brings so much convenience and safety to your outdoor electrical needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your HBN Outdoor Power Stake. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.